Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Revolve 2025 will on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now select horizontal line. Select vertical line and horizontal and angle line and select vertical and select horizontal and vertical and select horizontal and select angle and select horizontal. Now give the dimension, this line dimension. Now this line dimension 250. Okay. Now this line dimension 60. Okay. Now this line dimension 60. Enter. Now this line and this angle line degree use 45. Okay. Now this line 45. Now this point and this line dimension distance to line distance 775. Okay. Now this line dimension I'm going to have this line dimension 950. 950 this line dimension. Now this line dimension 50. Now this line and this line degree 30. Okay. Now this line dimension 50. Okay. Now select, just move here. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 10. Now this line and this line distance 60. Select. Now move here. This point and this point connect. Now just move here. Now select here. Delete this dimension. Just move here. This line dimension 50, 50. Now I am going to this dimension delete. This point and this line distance 180. Okay. Now go to here. Now again need to hairline. Now this line delete. This line and this line. Okay. Now this one delete. This line, okay. Now I am going to delete this degree. Okay. Now just move here. Now this line move here. Now here select. Now just move this line and this point connect. Okay. Now this line and this line 75. Okay. Now this line and this line degree 30. Select. Now delete the dimension. This point control this point horizontal. Now this line and this line distance 60. Okay. Now hair fully defined. Now hair need again straight line and straight hair and hair select. Now this line and this line use degree 30. 30 will be control Z 60. Okay. Now go to feature and select revolve. Now select this line revolve. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Go to isometric view. Make a job. Now go to here, select plain white. Now go to here, select shaded. Now go to select color. You can use any color as you wish. Now I am going to select this color. Okay. Now go to here, shaded. Make our job. Thank you all everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.